Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to mute all sounds on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. Here in accessibility, okay, go to hearing enhancement. Here in hearing enhancement, you can see the mute all sounds. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to mute all sounds on your Samsung Galaxy A02, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. Okay, we have successfully mute all sounds on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, so if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.